guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, hi, I'm Janiece.
Yeah, straight from London, girl looking cute on her contour, but she came through on the dance floor. Got my feelings so now she wonder.
Today's going to be like a vlog type thingy, but Germany is okay. Well, at least where I live is on lockdown, so I'm not about to be going anywhere. But today is 18th December. It's 11:34 and Christmas is coming. Okay, Christmas is coming. I've had exams this month, like from half of the month went like preparation for exams and all that, and I'm now getting into my Christmas spirit. So today we are going to bake cookies. We're going to bake a whole bunch of cookies. I've never done it before. My dad has never, I don't think he has ever done it before, but right now he has gone out to buy some stuff because we don't have any baking stuff at home. And yeah, so that's kind of what it's going to be. I'm going to show you guys that. I think tomorrow we'll go out and get a Christmas tree. You guys will see, y'all will see. So it's just like Christmas preparation vlog type thing. I don't know what I'll call it, but can you guys see my hair? Let me go into the light. I dyed my hair, y'all. Whew. It is better. Can you guys see? I don't know if y'all can see. Let me take my hair down. Hey guys, can you see it now? Can you see like the brown ends, like from the black to the brown? Like, tell me you can see. I know you can see. I know you can. But yeah, so right now I'm just going to go take a shower because I feel disgusting, and we'll go to the kitchen and we'll start. So I'll see y'all soon. Okay guys, so I'm done. Wait. So I've been listening to this podcast here. It's called Sincerely Accra, and when I tell you I'm obsessed, it's no joke. Ignore the stuff on the floor. Anyway, we're about to go down now. I'm wearing my old SU t-shirts. Well, let's go and bake some cookies. So Papa is going to look for like some plastic that we can put on the table so it doesn't get stained with other stuff. Yeah, and then we'll start baking. Yeah, hopefully it goes well because we've never done it before.
So we wash it briefly.
Yeah.
Then you have some.
Okay.
Okay. And what do I press that it records?
It's already recorded.
All the rubbish is now on what I did.
Guys, so this is what the butter mix is looking like, and the flour is here.
You look through all this water cabinet, yeah?
Yeah. Guys, I think our dough is too soft. I don't know why, but we'll make it work.
That can be the second egg, but
yeah,
if it gets cold, you will see it works. Turn it over the whole thing.
We don't have a roller, so we are using this to roll. Okay.
Okay.
Into two.
Okay. And now?
And seal this side because no air is supposed to go in.
That should be. Yeah, this is the smaller part. Smaller side, right?
So we are done making the dough for the sugar cookies, and now we're about to make the butter cookies. Yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, so these are the butter cookies done. They don't look good. They don't look so good because it was hard. It was very hard to do this. But we're going to put in the oven now. Okay guys, so I've taken the first dough out of the fridge. This is the sugar cookie dough, so it's a bit harder now. It's still very soft, but it's a bit harder. And I'm using my rolling pin to make it as flat as I can. This is the first time I'm doing this, so if I'm not doing it right, don't come for me. Guys, so I'm done shaping them, like cutting them, whatever it's called, and this is what it looks like. the butter cookies are already ruined, so I just pray these go well. Okay guys, so this is how the butter cookies came out. You see, I don't know, they fell, you know, when we're, I don't know what it's called, but we did it slowly and it just fell, and it's like it became flat. It's like one big flat thing, and we had to like cut them into the best shapes we could cut them. Later these with sugar, and these are just there. Now the other cookies that I shaped, they are in there right now, and all we can do is hope that they turn out well. Guys, it's out. It's not terrible. I guess we didn't leave enough space between the cookies because they expanded and now they look like this, but it's fine. At least the shapes are kind of still there. So guys, yeah. Right now I'm just tired, so my dad is on the phone. We've basically been doing this like the entire day. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm tired. People that do this for hey. Hey guys, I'm about to show you the review of the cookies. Well, they're not so bad. I'm actually proud of them. So this is what they look like after we've decorated them. I'm actually proud of us. Like, I mean, they're cute, aren't they?
Come follow me to a secret.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. As you can see, I just took my shower and it's like already 4 p.m. and I just took my shower. We are going to go out and buy a Christmas tree if we can't find one. I don't know, it's a bit late, but we are going to try. And yeah, I decided to take you along and continue this whole Christmas vibe vlog. a tree. Like, it's not like artificial, it's actually a real tree. Can you guys hear me? And the needles like are tricking me right now, but yeah, I'm excited. Hey guys, focus. We have the tree now. It's behind. That's what it's looking like. I'm excited. I wanted a wife Christmas tree. My dad was going on and on about how it's an access to nature, something, and trees are green, trees are not white. Okay, I'll say I'm pissed off. He's pissing me off. But we have a tree now, so I'm happy. Yeah, I don't know who they created, but whenever we do our vlog, this car just pulled up and you can see me holding camera and talking to myself, and now they are looking at me and I don't like it. I don't like people staring. So I'm gonna shut down and come back. Okay guys, why am I even whispering? It's not like they can hear me. Guys, came to my big forehead. Let's talk about life, shall we? How is everyone doing? How is everything going? For me, I guess it's fine. I guess life is fine. Nothing major is happening. We are just getting ready for Christmas, I guess. But we are locked down and it's Corona, so that sucks. But yeah, guys, look at my highlights. My hair color is really popping out. And I'm loving it. I'm just frustrated, y'all. I'm bored. It's fucking cold. I'm not supposed to use that language. I'm freaking cold. My dad is coming. He has no idea how much he's pissing me off. Bye guys. Say hi
to
my vlog.
Yeah, vlogging.
Yes.
Hi, vlog.
No, say hi, Wo.
Hi, what?
They deserve a better hi.
Hi, vlog.
Say your big nose. Everyone's going to see your big nose. Bye bye. Hey guys, so I'm home. My dad dropped me off home because he said he has to buy something. I don't know. Can you all see how pissed I am at him? I don't know, but he has to go and buy something. Anyway, I realized that after we created the cookies, look at this beauty, y'all. Just look at this. So after we decorated the cookies, I haven't tasted them. So we're coming to do a taste test after the camera focuses on me. I'm going to give you guys my honest review. If it's not nice, I'll tell you. Then we'll know that I don't have a future in baking. I'm not really into that. It's actually nice. It's actually nice, but it's really sweet because of the chocolates on top. If you're someone that likes sweet stuff, why am I saying it as if I'm baking cookies to sell? maybe I should start baking business. What do you guys think? Will you buy my cookies? We'll call it what? Judge's Bakery is too cliche. Guys, give me a name for my cookie restaurants. I know, my cookie bakery. Oh. Hi guys! I swear I did not just fake that fall. I actually slipped and fell. So as I was saying, I don't even know what to say again. I'm shy guys. Well, I catch my breath. Hey guys, so I've decided I'm going to end the vlog here, and I'm going to do the I'm so out of breath. was just a simple fall. I can't even talk right now. But as I was saying, I decided can you hear how I'm breathing? Relax, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. I think I've caught my breath now. I think I'm better. So as I was saying, I'm going to do the tree decoration in another video because I realized everything would just be too much and I don't think we'll decorate the tree tomorrow. I think we'll wait like 2 days and I want to put this out. So thank you for watching my kind of vlog. I'm not even sure it was just all over the place, but content, you guys want content, so I'm providing you content. If you want more videos like this, like just me living my life not planned, let me know. Be sure to like this video, turn on your post notifications if you haven't already. Oh, post notification shout outs. Hold on, let's look. Who was the first person to comment on my last video? Let's see who's the lucky person. Hey guys, so today's post notification shout out goes to Janiece. I think that's how I pronounce it, but it's GENIAAA. So thank you for supporting, thank you for watching, thank you for commenting. We love you. The whole family loves you. But yeah guys, subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, and as always guys, I'll be back on my videos. Peace.